Have you ever wondered how to drive safely in inclement weather as a courier driver? It's an essential skill indeed, as the weather doesn't always cooperate with our plans. Whether it's rain, snow, or a scorching heat wave, these conditions can pose significant challenges and risks if not adequately addressed. The stakes are even higher for courier drivers whose livelihoods depend on timely and safe deliveries. Understanding the potential dangers is the first step towards safety. So, let's dive into how you can safely navigate through these weather challenges. First, understanding weather conditions is crucial. Weather forecasts, while not an exact science, provide valuable insights into what to expect on the road. Let's break it down. Rain can make roads slick, reducing traction. Snow can obscure vision and make surfaces slippery. Fog dramatically decreases visibility, requiring slower speeds and increased focus. Heat, on the other hand, can lead to overheating and tire blowouts. Each of these conditions demands a unique approach, whether it's adjusting speed, increasing following distance, or even rerouting your journey entirely. So, always keep an eye on those forecasts and plan your routes accordingly. Adjust your driving habits based on the weather you're facing. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the weather, the better you can prepare and adapt. Now, let's discuss some specific driving tips for inclement weather. Firstly, maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles is vital in poor weather conditions. This buffer zone gives you ample time to react to any sudden changes on the road. Secondly, reducing your speed is not just recommended but necessary. High speeds in harsh weather can lead to loss of control and accidents. Remember, the goal is to reach your destination safely, not quickly. Thirdly, using your headlights appropriately is key to being seen by others. In fog, rain, or snow, your headlights can be the difference between being visible and invisible to other drivers. Regular vehicle maintenance is also crucial. Ensure your tires, brakes, and windshield wipers are in good condition before hitting the road. And finally, always be prepared for emergencies. Have a roadside assistance number handy and a basic emergency kit in your vehicle. These tips are your first line of defense against the unpredictable nature of the weather. So, to recap on driving safely in inclement weather, the key is to be prepared and aware. Understanding weather conditions and how they can affect your driving is crucial. It's important to plan your routes, keeping in mind the weather forecasts and adapting accordingly. But understanding and planning isn't enough. You've got to put into practice the safe driving tips we've discussed, whether it's maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles, reducing speed, or using the right lights. You're not just a courier driver, you're a guardian of the packages entrusted to you. So, keep honing these skills, keep learning, and keep being the best at what you do. Remember, safety is always the top priority. Drive safe, stay alert, and let's ensure that every delivery is a successful one.